Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. Adding a song to your profile can make your Facebook profile more personal and give visitors a quick idea of the type of music you like. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Next, go to your Facebook profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or your name. Once you are on your profile, scroll down and look for the music section. If you see music, tap on it. You may also need to tap Edit Profile or Edit Details and look for the option to add music. If the music option is available, tap Add Music. You will now see a list of songs that you can choose from. You can browse through the available music or use the search bar to find a specific song or artist. Tap the search bar and enter the name of the song you want. When you find the song, tap the plus icon or add button next to it. The song will be added to your Facebook profile. Depending on your Facebook app version, you may be able to add more than one song. You can browse through the music library and add other songs that you like. Once you have finished choosing your music, go back to your profile. The selected song may now appear in the music section of your profile. If you want to change the song later, simply return to the music section and choose another song. You may also be able to remove a song if you no longer want it displayed on your profile. Keep in mind that the music feature may not be available for every Facebook account or in every location. The available songs can also vary depending on music licensing in your region. If you cannot find the music option, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest available version. You can also check your profile settings to see if the feature is available on your account. And that's it. You now know how to add music to your Facebook profile. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.